In this video, I'll show you how to hopefully fix a paper jam in your Epson EcoTank 2860 printer. The first thing we're going to do is come to the back of the printer and remove the power cord, just because we're going to be putting our hands inside the printer and we don't want it turned on. Next up, come to the back of the printer and remove any paper that's currently in it. And if there is any paper stuck, it's going to be at the back part of this printer. So just pull this plastic flap forward and have a quick look inside here, and you might find some loose bits of paper. So you can try to grab it with your hand, or you can use some tweezers if your hand can't reach. If you didn't see anything at the back, then we're going to come to the front of the printer and pull this tray, just put it down towards you, and then lift it up at the top like this, and then it will rest open. Now you just want to take a more in-depth look in here. So these print heads will go from the right to the left, and you'll get an error if there is anything blocking them here. So just lift up these bits of plastic and have a look if you can find anything that's obstructing it. Then finally, if you come down to the paper tray at the bottom, have a look in here. This is where the paper comes out of. So hopefully this fixed your problem. Please let me know in the comments below if it did or it didn't.